Vehicle maintenance with nationwide vehicle contracts. For a fixed monthly fee, you can choose to add vehicle maintenance to your lease contract, helping you to take the hassle out of arranging routine servicing and repairs for your lease vehicle. A vehicle maintenance contract includes all scheduled servicing, replacement tyres, MOT, and other repair costs that may be required during the term of your lease contract. By spreading the cost over the term of the lease, you can also protect against rising inflation costs and take advantage of preferential booking times and extended garage opening hours via the dedicated maintenance driver line. So what exactly is included in a vehicle maintenance contract? Well, whilst inclusions vary from policy to policy, most vehicle maintenance contracts include routine servicing and maintenance for your lease vehicle for the duration of the contract, mechanical repairs due to fair wear and tear, including batteries and exhausts, MOT tests if applicable, tyre repair and/or like-for-like replacement exclusions apply, breakdown assistance depending upon finance provider. Of course, as with any type of contract, there are a number of exclusions which will not be covered by the maintenance contract. These typically include repairs or replacements due to driver-induced faults, damage sustained in a road traffic accident or caused by vandalism, missing, stolen or broken items such as bent aerials or missing hubcaps, tyre and wheel replacement caused by abuse, neglect, theft, vandalism or sidewall damage, damaged windscreens and glass replacement. If you are interested in taking out a vehicle maintenance contract, Nationwide Vehicle Contracts will be happy to supply you with a full list of inclusions and exclusions for your finance provider at point of order. It is worth noting that if you choose not to take out a maintenance contract with your lease vehicle, you will be responsible for all maintenance and servicing costs throughout the duration of your contract. This includes ensuring all tyres are of legal standards at all times. To find out more about vehicle maintenance, call Nationwide Vehicle Contracts on 0345 811 9595 or visit nationwidevehiclecontracts.co.uk.